Understanding the phrase, UFO. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a term that has sparked intrigue and curiosity all around the world. That term is UFO. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. First and foremost, UFO is an acronym. An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a phrase, and in this case, UFO stands for U, unidentified, F, flying, O, object. So when you say UFO, you're essentially talking about an unidentified flying object. While the literal meaning of UFO is any airborne object that cannot immediately be identified, the term is widely associated with extraterrestrial life and spaceships. In movies, books, and popular culture, when people refer to UFOs, they often mean mysterious and strange-looking aircrafts, thought to be from another world or dimension. However, it's crucial to understand that not all UFOs are spaceships. Many times, they turn out to be ordinary objects or optical illusions. Now, let's look at a few examples of how you can use the term UFO in sentences. 1. I thought I saw a UFO in the sky, but it turned out to be a drone. 2. There have been several UFO sightings reported in the area recently. 3. Do you believe in UFOs and extraterrestrial life? To enrich your vocabulary further, here are some synonyms and related terms. Flying saucer, a popular term used to describe disc-shaped UFOs. Alien spacecraft, a vehicle from another world or dimension. Unexplained aerial phenomena, a broader term encompassing all mysterious objects or phenomena in the sky. So there you have it. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. And while it often evokes images of alien spaceships, its literal meaning is much broader. We hope this video sheds light on this intriguing term. Keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary, and until next time, happy learning!